So let's go ahead now and look at how we would process a booking onto a class. So we've already covered how we would process a recurring booking or a single booking within the schedule. Let's now look at how we would process a class booking. So again, we need to navigate across to the Book a Lesson option. And we have here our program categories. But this time we're going to go ahead and process a class booking on a junior class. So we're going to go ahead and choose the junior class category. And we're going to go ahead and select golf camps. And we can see how we've got a class listed under golf camps. So we've got the date, the start date, duration, places that are booked, and the price. So at the moment we haven't got any bookings that have been made. But let's say we want to add someone who has inquired with us to this class. So all we simply now need to do is choose the class details button. We can go ahead and select that. And we can look down the pop-up here, the modal, and we can just review the information. And we're just going to go ahead and choose the Add to Cart option. And we can see now that we've got that class that's been added to our basket. So we can do one of two things now. We can check out, which will mean we'll proceed to the booking confirmation page, or we can continue to browse the booking system. So if we continue to browse the booking system, what it means is that we can go to potentially a new class. So let's say we wanted to also make a booking on this Junior Academy class for the same customer. We can go ahead and select the class details and add to cart, and we can see now that we've got both of those classes added to our basket. What you're unable to do is to process two different customers onto the same class. So each booking journey relates to booking one person onto a class. If we need to book multiple places on classes, we need to make sure that we're doing the booking journey as many times as required and adding a place under each customer. So we're going to go ahead and make those two bookings. We're going to reserve a place on the camp and also the Junior Academy class. So we're just going to hit continue. If at any time we want to do that, we can just go ahead and hit the checkout page. And again, the pop-up appears. And we're just going to go ahead and hit checkout. So we're now into the complete order section. And this time we're going to do things a little bit differently. We've already gone through how we would do that using the player information. So now what we're going to do is we're going to select a student. So we can do that just by hitting the select a student option. And we're going to go ahead and choose this customer here who already has an account, Demo Basic. We're going to hit book now. And we can see now that the player information has been filled in. And all we would need to now do is add any notes for the student or an internal note. Choose the payment option. So we're going to go ahead and pay at Academy. And we're not going to worry about gift card and discount code. And we're going to go ahead and hit book now. We'll give that a second. And we can see that the booking confirmation has now been finalized. If we go back into our locker section, and we'll find those two classes. So let's go ahead and find that camp. We can see here that any classes are added to your schedule as a yellow time. So this relates to a class. We can see here that we've got a red booking, which we'll cover in a moment in the next part of the training series. But we can go ahead now and select that, and we can click on attendees, and we can see how that customer has been added to the class and also been added to this one here. There we go. So we've got that place reserved on the class for that student.